the pros and cons of solo ads. The pros of doing solo ads is that you get instant traffic, and it's actually one of the fastest ways that I know of to get traffic. Unlike Facebook ads, you don't have to worry about creating a banner ad, finding the right image, and getting approved by Facebook. You don't have to worry about getting banned by Facebook. Okay, so basically, you don't have to be a marketing genius to buy solo ads. You just buy clicks from somebody and drive the traffic to your squeeze page. Okay, another pro or benefit of buying solo ads is that the people that you get on your list have already proven to have the desire to click on links in emails, because basically that's how they got to your offer, is by clicking on a link in an email. And so this is great for you if you plan to promote to your list with affiliate marketing and promoting affiliate offers to your list. Now, the cons of solo ads is that the quality of the traffic is lower than other sources of traffic, such as Facebook ads, media buys, and selling your own products. Because when you sell your own products, you get a list of buyers. Those generally are more responsive and have a higher value. Another con of buying solo ad is that the people that you get on your list will most likely be on several other marketers' lists.